Hey, what's up? Probably you know that we have been testing Xiaomi Redmi 10 and Poco M3 Pro smartphones for the last months. If you haven't seen our videos, you can watch them by the links in description. In this video I want to compare the new mobile devices from Xiaomi, because they have about the same price, $169, but specifications and features are very different. Let's start the comparison with design, and then we will talk about display, performance, camera and battery. First, Xiaomi Redmi 10 and Poco M3 Pro have the same dimensions. Both of them comes with 6.5-inch hole-punch display. If the front panels are the same and it is impossible to tell which smartphone is which, then the back panels are completely different. I have Redmi 10 of gray color and Poco M3 Pro of blue color. The cameras are located in the left top corner, but Redmi 10 has quad camera and flashlight, while Poco M3 Pro comes with triple camera and flashlight. By the way, the back panels are rounded, so the smartphones are equally comfortable to hold in one hand. The fingerprint reader is located on the right side of both phones. In addition, they have USB Type-C charging port and speaker at the bottom. However, Redmi 10 has a second speaker at the top, while Poco M3 Pro comes with a single speaker. This is the first advantage of Redmi 10. The new mobile devices from Xiaomi have IR blaster and 3.5mm audio jack. So the main differences between Redmi 10 and Poco M3 Pro is a different design of the main camera and dual speaker in Redmi 10. For the rest, they are the same smartphones. Talking about display, as already said, Poco M3 Pro and Redmi 10 have 6.5-inch diagonal and Full HD Plus resolution. Both of them have 90Hz refresh rate. It looks like the brightness and colors are the same. To be honest, I don't see any differences between the screens of Redmi 10 and Poco M3 Pro. However, the performance of these mobile devices is very different, because they are powered by different processors. Poco M3 Pro has Dimensity 700 chipset, while Redmi 10 is equipped with Helio G88 processor. Both of them are from MediaTek, but Dimensity 700 supports 5G networks. This is the first advantage of Poco M3 Pro over Redmi 10. In general, the performance of Poco smartphone is better than Redmi phone. As you can see, Poco M3 Pro has 221,000 points in Antutu, while Redmi 10 scores only 155,000 points. You can also feel the difference in games. If you want to know more, you can watch our videos with performance tests of Redmi 10 and Poco M3 Pro. The cameras are also different on these smartphones. Poco M3 Pro has a triple camera with a 48MP main sensor, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth sensors. As for Redmi 10, it has a quad camera with 50MP main sensor, 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth cameras. The advantage of Redmi 10 is 8MP wide-angle sensor, so you can take really good pictures on the main 50MP camera and wide-angle camera. However, Redmi smartphones doesn't have image stabilization, so the video footage is very shaky. On the other hand, Poco M3 Pro has image stabilization, and this smartphone records pretty smooth videos. So you need to decide what is more important for you, wide-angle photos or smooth video. Redmi 10 and Poco M3 Pro have the same battery capacity, 5000 mAh. They also support 18W fast charging. However, the battery life and charging time are different. We have drained the battery of Redmi 10 with video playback on YouTube. The smartphone lasted 9 hours and 59 minutes. The battery life of Poco M3 Pro in the same test was 10 hours and 44 minutes. I was surprised that Poco M3 Pro has longer battery life, but also faster charging, only 2 hours and 2 minutes. The full battery charge of Redmi 10 took 2 hours and 31 minutes. As for the price, you can buy a Redmi 10 for only $169 on AliExpress. The price of Poco M3 Pro is also $169 using $10 off coupon code. So Xiaomi Redmi 10 and Poco M3 Pro have the same price, but there are many differences between them. The advantages of Redmi 10 is dual speaker, 50MP main sensor and 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera. Poco M3 Pro has only triple camera without ultra-wide-angle sensor, but there is image stabilization, so the video footage is much better. Also, Poco smartphone has Dimensity 700 chipset with 5G support. The performance of Poco M3 Pro is higher than Redmi 10. The battery capacity of Redmi 10 and Poco M3 Pro are the same, but Pocophone has longer battery life and faster charging. I would rather buy Poco M3 Pro. What about you? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.